Hello guys, and welcome back to the studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to contact customer support in the Poppo Live app. Whether you're facing technical issues, have questions about your account, or just need some guidance, I'll walk you through every step so you can get help without any hassle. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and type Poppo Live in the search bar. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, so you have access to all the newest features. Once the update is complete, open the Poppo Live app and tap on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap on Help. Here, you will see an option called Message Feedback. Simply tap on it to send your question or issue directly to Poppo Live's customer support team. They will respond and help you resolve your problem as quickly as possible. And that's it for this video. Now you know exactly how to contact customer support in Poppo Live without any confusion.